Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing and unboxing the Rare Beauty newest makeup product line by Selena. Yeah, so before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like for me, and then yeah, let's get started. So yeah, she had a lot of different types of makeup set, like either it's foundation or concealer, the eyebrow pencil, or the blush. But yeah, since I had those kind of products, I didn't have a lot of too much blushes, so I chose to pick the blush out of all things. And yeah, I'm having my vitamin. It's like a adult multivitamin by Kirkland from Costco. So yeah, guess which blush I chose. She had like 5 different ones. The shades came in like pink, orange, purple, red. But yeah, I wanted an orange blush with like pinkish tones, so yeah, I chose the Joy blush. It is a popular color and the price is like $20 for the blush. But I did get mine online at Sephora.com. I saved some money. I think like I saved for free shipping and I had a 10% off. So yeah, I got that delivered. It was only took 4 days. And yeah, I thought when I saw it in person, like I was trying to sample it first out of all things. But yeah, it was a small bottle when I thought it was bigger, but when I did try it on, a little goes a long way. So yeah, so I'll show you the box. I did pick the Joy blush. It was my favorite color out of all the. So yeah, let me zoom in for you guys. This is the Soft Pinch Blush Liquidate Enjoy by Rare Beauty. I do like the name Rare Beauty. It's different. And then next I'll show you the bottle. It's a really pretty orange pinkish color. The bottle is cute too, like a circle top. And but yeah, I'll be applying it today for you guys to show you. The name is cute too, Joy Blush. And then here's the color. I'll sample for you guys. So when you open the bottle, it is cute. It's like a brush. But yeah, usually when I put it on, I'll move closer for the camera. After I do my whole makeup, I put the blush. I'll just dab a little bit like this on each side of the face. Like I said, a little goes a long way. And I really love this color. It's really pretty and it makes the face pop. So yeah, that is the Joy Blush Rare Beauty. It is a popular color and I have been told this color is really pretty. So yeah, it looks cool when you apply it on the face. Usually I use my hands or I use like a brush. Before I use my hands, but today I'll be using a brush. So it looks more better and evened out. This is a brush from Target. It came in 3 and it was only $1, so yeah. This brush I usually use for blushes, so yeah, let's get started. Usually I put it in a circular motion. Here, hold on, let me see. I have to go to the mirror. Yeah. Yeah, so you could already see it. It's bright and very pigmented and beautiful on my face. So yeah, that's the one side of the face. And then the next. So yeah, I usually finish it with my finger. But yeah, it looks really good. So that is the Joy Blush. I really like it. Really like it. Comment which way you guys put on blush. Do you guys put it in a circular motion, or do you guys put it in like a this way motion? Like, but yeah, I do either one. When I do like the finger, like if I rub it like this, I do a circular motion, but when I use a brush, I do like this. But yeah, that is the Joy blush for you guys. I really did like and enjoy making this video. So make sure that you give this a like and comment which rare beauty product you guys use or recommend. But yeah, this orange looks really good and nice. It's one of my favorites. It is $20 and I'm happy with this purchase. It is a popular color and it looks really good when you go outside. But yeah, I have to finish completing my makeup to curl my eyelashes and whatnot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. And that was the Rare Beauty Joy Blush, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.